Early signs of hearing loss. When people talk, you can hear, but won't be able to understand. You struggle to hear high-pitched sounds. Noisy environments are frustrating. Listening makes you unusually tired. Don't delay. Get help for your hearing loss. Speak to us and book your appointment by calling our independent audiology clinic on 1300 878 343.